You le fair achi.
Yeah.
National Sports Authority.
Yeah.
Ghana Table Tennis Association bi. Madam Fiamochi.
Yeah.
Ye wie mo ni ame wie.
Yeah.
Egbe na me wie. What situation oga me go maja no.
Yeah.
I get MCA bi ene.
Yeah.
Oga me collaborator.
Yeah.
What fe no go watch am.
Yeah.
Ame fe no go machine wo.
Yeah.
No le tantwie no ba wie wa. Age wo mo tuen.
Yeah.
Wo yin pa so mo fe an.
Yeah.
Okay, fair to my stores.
Yeah.
Fair to my boy.
Yeah.
Na bia mi no go bo pa mi pamu.
Yeah.
Okay, ya we am.
Yeah.
What to yin.
Yeah.
Ake wo ka se le ba na chira mo.
Yeah.
Ye ne pote.
Yeah.
Wana sports arena.
Yeah.
You need to any MCA I take note of that.
Yeah.
It's very important and very dear to our hearts.
Yeah.
Ake ke wo pe Jo Mahama. Eta nani obashi yen.
Yeah.
It third colleague no.
Yeah.
To a sports arena.
Yeah.
The many it's one of the venues in an unboxing here.
Yeah.
The Baba Oye.
Yeah.
No, 1 year mark Eko ye sure na. She was walking like back to the sports arena.
Yeah.
She nature to that she sure na.
Yeah.
Wa fi no Bao ye jeme.
Yeah.
Into any MCA take note of that.
Yeah.
Like mo only over atron like a bien a year mark for recreational facilities.
Yeah.
Assembly like mla ni mo gbe. Age mo kuke no kwa gbe aga wo je.
Yeah.
Ja. That sports ni what susu ye pe age wo je me.
Yeah.
Apart from that, when we're 24/7 market in Abama,
Yeah.
it's like between 4 to 5 acre land.
Yeah.
Abama,
Yeah.
she was so put market there is over 8 to 9 acres.
Yeah.
No, I can't Jairo Jeme, you buy sure Jeme.
Yeah.
Can it be a one sport out there with Jeme?
Yeah.
When I jela, I can be a no
Yeah.
you for you. Me am a be here for now to make us say I'm going way water.
Yeah.
Abu am na je na make us say
Yeah.
that table tennis you.
Yeah.
I'm a volleyball to you.
Yeah.
I mean indoor games ni
Yeah.
Kobana ni anya afiru eje me. Akeni 24/7 market there. Abaje next month on the 15th of December.
Yeah.
Gene we ejinami.
Yeah.
Ona afit awu scheme any oga ma pe mo ne.
Yeah.
Tani aje du tumo shi gene we ejinami.
Yeah.
I sure na gio.
Yeah.
Market there wa ma gio e.
Yeah.
Wo pa ge ngbe tutu wa nyo fit the sports arena na ye.
Yeah.
Bona fe ni wo shwe ke wa jamo afi gbem ami here bi ni baba ya wo se
Yeah.
amehwemo yi.
Yeah.
O ba wo shi ke sports authority sageji. Je o ame ni ayekunim tani wo bu awe na neke.
Yeah.
Shibe baba o I was a sports personality.
Yeah.
I was a member of the National Academy in 1978.
Yeah.
I went to Laboratory School.
Yeah.
The athlete Jimmy,
Yeah.
100 and 200.
Yeah.
There was one guy there representing Ghana, Canada. He was
Yeah.
called Macaros John.
Yeah.
He was my mate.
Yeah.
The Willie Williams was
Yeah.
the sports master. Kenya Greater Craft.
Yeah.
She no go ha ni tavaje. Ote me wapa ya ji wona walo.
Yeah.
Be o sports training kids po ya fi ona agba.
Yeah.
Egbe no ba je wa fi training e po e transport ya fi ona agba.
Yeah.
Okay, yin ge bon o pese.
Yeah.
O talent na kiya ba je efite.
Yeah.
Na kan onji wanye me fe ni obi ene wona boss se egbe ni ameto ojule je ami.
Yeah.
She talent ji sani enye e boy wo moden.
Yeah.
Ni amene na glory e dani atu ekon no.
Yeah.
She twa mo ge age ba fe je mo go sani.
Yeah.
When ko kwe wo Asari national goalkeeper.
Yeah.
O kwele a video fi oni fi e.
Yeah.
Eke boy mo de ba anso na.
Yeah.
Wa to te.
Yeah.
Wa to ya ba mene glory mo fo to ne ge ya pete.
Yeah.
She let it trash down.
Yeah.
Wo ke wo me egbe ni mo ko atuashi. She gaji wona ke mepin ni amembo amemo den.
Yeah.
I'm a training kids ni if you na agba.
Yeah.
Oba wa ne kan gbe fan.
Yeah.
I'm a transportation.
Yeah.
Na ma shi na ma ya ni ba wa na me na go na ma fi training e wo.
Yeah.
Ni oba pa ke mi wa won wa yan ke wa.
Yeah.
Me gba medical attention e aba aje me.
Yeah.
Ma what to gbejano ni won ha free medical care bi ane.
Yeah.
Mo fe won ni ha mo je athlete pe she am a follow pony na agba.
Yeah.
Come she am a make officer. Well, clinic here be a bigger medical center.
Yeah.
By December, he will get quite. And when you work, na gblina.
Yeah.
When you want be another medical attention.
Yeah.
Even Bao Kagbe Kiawo.
Yeah.
She for now the concentration is on athletes, sports personalities.
Yeah.
You will fight one man who qualified than Agua.
Yeah.
Either table tennis, either boxing, either football, all the disciplines will be available to support, provided will be put in the loan. We are going to organize internal competition of your table tennis. Next year, table tennis is going to be a very bigger platform. Nungua. The office of the Gborbu Wulomo is going to put up a silver cup, a very huge one.
Yeah.
A very handsome prize.
Yeah.
Well, it will not be limited to Nungua.
Yeah.
She will try to spread it across Gadangbe.
Yeah.
When you find your Kejela market is shula, now they must come and contest.
Yeah.
No, that is a major thing that we're going to do next year.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's going to coincide with my 9th year on the throne.
Yeah.
The 10th year is going to be a very big one.
Yeah.
More bigger than next year.
Yeah.
Tell me, can you bang your radon? You are going to do affair. What's I do a kind of family drama?
Yeah.
Because you were pay our women, why are you?
Yeah.
I go film more about okay, I can your day.
Yeah.
Or by what I think or he was you want more while
yeah.
Kajamede.
Yeah.
Why and water it will get 3 hours.
Yeah.
The funny what I if you chop a hour.
Yeah.
As to the quack may have Galana, a frog I will.
Yeah.
Yeah, Galabana, Africa Febana, Jole, Africa Jabi and Dan.
Yeah.
I can only appear the Africa, you say.
Yeah.
Africa Mumu, Papa, you say.
Yeah.
Now, nobody might tire if you do 3 hours, if you know, if you could be famous.
Yeah.
If you could nearly hour.
Yeah.
You are watching here, Panion. You are not get to watch it.
Yeah.
I got watch to be.
Yeah.
In Walafio or no.
Yeah.
Now, I got to be like a 20 when I can change and then you say you are laughing, you know, could you? Hey, Jeba, one I go, Jim Bukani walk behind.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be away.
Yeah.
Tell you, Radwell,
yeah.
or Warfare to buy our. Chop,